This compact space heater from Lasko brings 1,500 watts of comforting warmth to your room. A classic design in black with easy-to-use manual controls and built-in safety features. Plus an adjustable thermostat for personalized comfort. Two convenient knobs located on the top of the heater allow you to set the adjustable thermostat to your desired temperature and select from 3 quiet settings: high heat, low heat, or fan only. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 quiet settings, including high heat, low heat, and fan only, make this electric space heater ideal for warming up an area in your home or home office. Combined with an adjustable thermostat, this personal space heater is great from small areas. Number 2. Adjustable thermostat. This allows you to adjust the heater's 1,500-watt ceramic heating element with 11 different temperature settings. You're sure to find a comfortable setting. Simply turn the dial to the heat setting you desire and enjoy comforting heat. Number 3. Convenient carry handle. Makes it easy to move the space heater. Thanks to the heater's compact size and convenient carry handle, you can easily move the heater from the kitchen to the bedroom or under the desk. Number 4. Built-in safety features. Overheat protection ensures the space heater does not overheat even if left on for an extended amount of time. The space heater also features a cool touch exterior. This allows the space heater's body to stay cool even when it's on high. Number 5. Fully assembled. This allows you to take the heater out of the box and have it working in minutes. Simply plug the heater into a wall outlet. Select your desired heat and thermostat settings, and enjoy the warmth from your new Lasko space heater. Number 6. Perfect for desk and counter use. This compact heater is perfect for table or countertop use. This heater provides 1,500 watts of comforting warmth. Place the heater in your bedroom to get a cozy night's sleep or in your living room to help keep you warm while watching TV. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.